Here I have Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me show you how to enter here the download mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the power key or the side key with the volume down. Let's keep holding those two keys for a few seconds. When the following menu pops up, let's simply choose power off and tap power off again to confirm the operation. Now you need to prepare the USB-C cable connected to your PC, and let me simply start by holding those volume keys, volume down and volume up together, and by holding those two keys connect your phone with this USB-C cable. So let me show you. As you can see right here, I will be holding volume up and volume down, and I will be connected with the USB-C cable. Maybe I will show you that way. Okay, volume down and volume up, and by holding those two keys connect your phone. Keep holding both volume keys, and that's it. As you can see here, we've got your download mode and warning. In order to continue, you need to press volume up. If you would like to restart to a normal mode, press volume down. Let me use volume up, and the phone is in download mode. So here you can read a few information about your device, for example the OEM log status, the warranty status, the warranty void, and some information about your software. You can also try to update your device by using the appropriate software. But if you are not downloading anything, if you are not updating your phone and you would like to simply quit the download mode, let's use this combination of keys, power key and volume down, for 7 seconds. Let me show you. You can keep holding those keys until the Samsung logo pops up. Okay, now you can release both keys and let's wait a few seconds. Alright, now you can activate your phone and start using your device in a normal mode. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.